Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Minitha Abraham. Today I am going to share how to make beautiful marigold flowers from crepe paper. Let's start.
The things we need are green and orange crepe paper, metal wire, white glue, dark green and light green floral tape, scissors, ruler, and tissue paper. Now, cut out 8 pieces of orange crepe paper that are 5 cm by 20 cm. Now, cut out 2 pieces of green crepe paper that are 5 cm by 5 cm. Then, cut out 4 pieces of green crepe paper that are 1 cm by 30 cm. Now, take a tissue paper and cut it into 10 pieces, each of 2 cm by 20 cm. Take a 5 cm by 20 cm orange crepe paper, stretch it, and then fold it 4 times. Now cut 3/4 of the folded paper into the shape of a petal. Fold and cut out 5 more strips of 5 by 20 cm orange crepe paper identical to the one we just cut out. Continue shaping the petal according to your preference. Similarly, fold the final 2 pieces of orange crepe paper 4 times. But this time, remember to give it a pointy or spiky shaped edge. After we've prepared 6 strips of orange crepe paper with petal-shaped edges and another 2 strips with pointy edges, we can get on with the next part. Take a metal wire and make a loop on one end of it. Apply white glue on the orange crepe paper and wind it around the metal wire. Wind the strips of orange crepe paper with the pointy edges before you wind the ones with the petal-like edges. rustic structure for the flower, wind a thin metal wire around the bottom of the flower and take the metal wire off after shaping the bottom of the flower. Grab the strips of tissues we'd cut out earlier and start winding them over the metal wire by applying white glue. Now, grab 2 pieces of 1 cm by 30 cm green crepe papers and stick them together with white glue. Fold it as shown in the video. And then use the scissors and cut it out into the shape of a leaf. Cut the edges. Apply white glue and attach the leaves to a piece of metal wire. Finally, attach the leaves to the flower and wrap them together with green floral tape.